Did you know that SUI is up 155% in the last 90 days, while Bitcoin is up only 3.5%? Well, that's what we're going to talk a little bit about in this video, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time dropping in, my name's Zach. Welcome to my crypto channel. And this is where we talk about our crypto journey and what we've learned since we got into crypto in late 2020, early 2021. And SUI is a particular altcoin that I've been interested in for quite some time. And in this video, I want to talk about why SUI crypto can no longer be ignored. It recently just cracked into the top 20 of all cryptos, and it is an altcoin right now that is outperforming everything else compared to Bitcoin. And we're going to take a look more about this chart and take a look at this chart, see that you guys can see right here on the back of my screen. What is this? Well, this is the Google search trends data, and we'll dive into this in more detail when it comes to SUI crypto. And what this shows us is that interest over time is skyrocketing right now for SUI. A lot of people interested. This is usually a really good sign that people are looking to potentially buy this asset too, right? As more people search for it, more people are trying to learn information about it. They're also going to be next step, which is buying it, right? So it's a good metric to go off of. We'll talk a little bit more about that as we go on in the video. But we can see here, SUI selling off a little bit here today with the overall market back down to $1.69. This could be an interesting entry point because we were just up over $2 yesterday, last night. So we're getting a nice dip here on SUI and the rest of the market. This could be a phenomenal entry. And listen, I'm playing the long game here. We were already over 5 billion in market cap. We're back down to 4.6 billion now. So I don't think we're late here to the game when it comes to SUI. We did set all-time highs back in March, crossed over $2.18 to be exact on March 27th, just about 6 months ago. We're only about 16% from that all-time high. So some may say, well, Zach, is this the right time to get in? I mean, we're so close to the all-time high. Maybe we should wait. Keep in mind that SUI has not seen a crypto bull run yet. This is a brand new layer one, meaning it's not like Solana or Avalanche or Cardano that's been around in the market for years. It's brand new. It literally just burst on the scene and launched, came out basically in 2023 in the middle of the bear market. So there's still a lot of time, and we again have not seen that upside. Once we get into a full-fledged bull run, when all the hype and all the crazy's going on. Now, I mentioned Google Trends data. Take a look at this. This is the past 12 months worldwide for the search term SUI crypto. It is slowly but surely ticking up. And even if we take a look at the past 30 days, you can see a big burst here from the beginning of September all the way to the end of September. Huge interest coming in right now on SUI. And a lot of people are betting that SUI is going to be similar to what Solana was in the last cycle. And what Solana was the layer one that was fresh. It was new. It had all the VC backing. And people love to speculate on the new shiny object in crypto. And there are always new layer ones to talk about. And this, in my opinion, SUI, along with its counterpart Aptos, they check all the boxes. They have all that VC funding. They have deep pockets in terms of their big investors that got out of the gate here. Remember, SUI and Aptos are two cryptocurrency projects that are built out of Facebook investors when Facebook was trying to build their own blockchain. I think it was called Libra. Well, that didn't work, and investors branched off and created two different companies. SUI is one of them, and it just hit over a $5 billion market cap. I still think this is, in my opinion, very undervalued. Now, another reason why SUI is doing so well and why it's looked so good on the charts is they're making a big bet on gaming. The SUI blockchain's bet on gaming propelled it to 100% gain during September. And the Ethereum competitor boasts far faster transaction speeds, speaking about SUI, than most alternatives in the space, has largely bet that Web3 gaming will be its breakthrough use case. That bet seems to be paying off. Again, the token went up over 100% just last month, Miston Labs co-founder Evan Chang recently described why SUI sees so much potential in gaming that it helped launch the first Web3 dedicated gaming device. Chang said it's about building a platform that redefines what ownership can mean in the digital age. SUI is not just a blockchain, it's a platform for developers. Chang emphasized during an interview with Coinage, making it clear that the project's ambition is to be a lot more than just a ledger for transactions. He says, probably a lot of times people think about it like, oh, what can Web3 and crypto do for consumers? That's very important to figure out. But before that, how do we developers figure out the new business model that can last? And so SUI is, again, betting big on gaming with their new device by providing a tight integration between hardware and the SUI ecosystem. The team is attempting to craft a unique offer that could unlock new possibilities for developers, much in the same way that Apple's iPhone later enabled its App Store, right? This was a breakthrough moment. SUI is trying to do something similar in the world of Web3. Now, if we go over to the altcoin index, we can take a look at something I love to, see basically the top 50 performance over the last season or 90 days, altcoins compared to Bitcoin the last 3 months. Bitcoin's up 4.8%. SUI's up 177% in the last 90 days. That is insane. It is the number one altcoin right now in the last 3 months, and it's not even close. Nothing really compares other than maybe Tau in that AI sector. Other than that, there is no hotter narrative or blockchain right now than SUI. And if you look at the top 25, you can find that SUI's right here ranked 21. It recently surpassed Litecoin, which we know Litecoin's been around forever. Now, it's dialed back below it here with the sell-off. But again, it's went up so much in such a little time. I'm glad I'm actually making this video right now for you because not financial advice, but this is time to buy, right? When charts are red is when you want to get in. So this is the time to do your due diligence on this blockchain. If you believe it's still early like I do, if you think that they could really make some big noise in this upcoming bull run, you might want to start looking at what SUI has to offer. Look at that last month there. That chart looks absolutely very, very bullish here on SUI. And again, a little bit of a pullback right now. Overall market, we take a quick look. It is pulling back. Bitcoin's at 60,000. A lot of things have happened with, war going on in the Middle East, which has impacted the market short term. But if you're a long-term crypto bull, this is just a bigger opportunity to accumulate your favorite assets at premium prices. So that is what we've got for you guys in the video. Hopefully you got some value. Let me know your thoughts down below. Appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video. And real quick, before we get up on out of here, if you're interested in a trading indicator that works, that is XT Algo. That's my company. Over a year, it's been out on the market. Got tons of people trading with us using XT Algo. It's a 30-day money-back guarantee. All the links are down below. Huge discount code. Check it out if you're interested. Appreciate you guys for watching.